ass, bro. Honestly, I do want to put you on to that song, but that's a special song to me, bro. Me and my love want to listen to that song, bro.
I really can't.
Me and my love want to listen to that song, bro. Me and my love want to listen to that, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's a special song to me, bro.
Whatever, bro.
Alright, so that's family.
Yo, my nigga, what's up with you, bro?
What you doing that for, bro? I just said you don't even know what song it is,
Bro, it's my song, bro. What's up with you, bro? Damn, bro, what's up with you, bro? Tripping, bro. What the hell?
You ain't even gonna know what that song is, bro.
Bro, I need this. I need my phone, bro.
Real nigga shit.
I need my phone,
Don't
bro.
even touch that damn phone, bro. Because all you want to do is listen to shit.
Touch.
You know what's crazy,
Touch.
though? What's crazy is you ain't even want to listen to that song, so you know I had it.
Bro, that
You ain't
shit
even wanna
fire,
listen
bro.
to
You
that
not even
song,
trying to
so
give
you know
me
I
the
was listening to
song,
it,
bro.
nigga. That's my fucking
That
song,
shit
bro.
green as a bitch,
Yo,
bro.
what's
That
the
shit
you
green,
don't even know
bro.
what fucking song that is.
It don't matter, bro.
Yes, it do, bro.
You
If
can't
was
put it
caught up
on,
in
bro.
it- Bro, stay on my playlist, bro. Stay on my playlist, bro.
You gatekeeping for
Real
real?
nigga shit, bro. Stay on my playlist, bro. Stay on my playlist.
Whatever, bro.
Stay on my
Give my
playlist. Grab
phone.
that little stupid ass phone.
Give my
Stay on my
phone.
playlist, nigga.
Give my phone.
Stay on my playlist, bro.
Arguing that in my vibe. Ain't trying to talk to you, I'm trying to slide. That's what I shit with inside. I'm talking
Damn, bro. What's up with you?
White superstar, hop out with a chopper. I'm ready to go. Babies tell me I'm sex. Go. Shit, take shit out. Can we get a lot? You know how it go. Let's go. So baby, bounce.
That's why the baby suck, bro.
Nigga, say that shit again. Say that shit again. Say that shit again. Who suck? Who suck, nigga? He's the GOAT! The GOAT!